idea of what we belong to, what we are part of, is the idea that people come to this community from other places, and they're looking for the kind of life, the kind of amenities that they can feel comfortable with. And the truth is, the real truth that we have to embrace, and what you're embracing here, and why I'm so proud of you, is that there is no such thing. We are all one.
They say actions speak louder than words, and that's exactly why, for the third straight year, Dearborn students have organized. The students, just like Dr. Martin Luther King, are standing up against unjust actions to support all rights of all Americans. We must remember that we're here to honor the great work and the leadership that was provided by the late Dr. Martin Luther King. Dr. King stated, "I have a dream that my 4 children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character." That's what we're doing here today. Dr. Martin Luther King spoke these immortal words, "I refuse to accept the view that mankind is so tragically bound to the starless midnight of racism in the war that the bright daybreak of peace and brotherhood can never become a reality." Today we're here because our students, community, and staff have shown that they want to continue the mission and to fulfill the dream that was started by Dr. King over 50 years ago. Thank you, everyone, and I appreciate all the great work you do.
Unify! Unify! Diversify! Unify! Diversify!